salt and pepper. Yo, Jesse, what's up? Any cheaper ingredients you would recommend that can add good flavor to food? Depends what you make, drink a sup. Depends what you are making, buddy. Let me know what you want to make, then we can find some ingredients. But yeah, if you want to make dessert, main dish, salad, it can be a big difference, my man. Drive safe, Conquest. Thank you for the lurk, bro. Woo! Broken student. Cheap dishes. My prawns dish from YouTube. Super cheap, man. Just buy some prawns. The prawns, they're looking expensive, but they're not super expensive if you are checking it out with other dishes. But you can use chicken as well for that. I should go for pastas, man. Pastas,
I don't know
rice,
if I have said
curry.
this, but Thai for all you so.
Bread with the bitty dance. Mamacita, darling, thank you super for that bitty dance. Whoop, bitty dance. Bread, darling, thank you super for that bitties, ma'am. I don't know if I have said it, but try for all you so big boy love. Give me a hug, darling. Thank you for the kind words, darling. Indeed, if you want to save money, just make spaghetti for 3 days. Freeze it in the freezer, you can pick it out whatever you like. Make some chili con carne, that's very cheap as well, chili con carne. Meatballs with potatoes and some vegetables. Pasta salads, hot pastas. Lasagna can be pretty cheap as well. Or noodles, of course. You know, rice dishes, fried rice with stir-fried veggies. Rice, bell pepper, zucchini, chicken. Spices, fried up, bam! Let's go, man. Oh, that sucks a little sterk, but you can always learn to talk English, of course. You can always give it a go. My English was not that good as well, till I started streaming at Twitch. Thanks to you beautiful people, it was getting better and better. Look at the height boss, by the way, man. Let's go, famo. What a legends, guys. Don't forget to hydrate. And in about 20 minutes, I'm gonna run an ad, if that's okay for you guys and girls. Not to bully or to troll you beautiful people, but just because we can.
Welcome
because we have to
the Food Cave. Good vibes, good foods. Thank you for the follow.
Summer Ferry, thank you for the follow. Welcome in, appreciate that. Streaming around 4.5 years on Twitch now. I got the best time of my life thanks to you beautiful